म्हजें नांव PSI बाबू देसाय. सो हांगा गोवा पुलिसान न्याय संहिताचेर एग्जिबिशन केल्लें आसा. सो ह्या एग्जिबिशनान हो जो फर्स्ट कावंटर आसा, ह्या कावंटरान आमी लोकांक ब्रीफ करता रिगार्डींग न्यू हे आमचे भारतीय न्याय संहिता, भारतीय नागरीक सुरक्षा संहिता आनी भारतीय साक्ष अधिनियम हेजे बद्दल. आनी ह्या स्टॉलांतल्यान आमी लोकांक एक पॅम्पलेटशी दिता. आमी एक पासपोर्ट टायप केल्लो आसा. सो आनी फुडचे जे स्टॉल आहा, आमच्या फुडें जे स्टॉल आहा ते स्टॉलांनी आमी डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन करता, लायक PCR कशें PCR वर्क्स आनी क्रायम सीन दाखयले आहा, पोलीस स्टेशन कशें फंक्शनींग जाता, मागीर फुडें आमचे फॉरेन्सीक कशें ऑपरेट जाता, मागीर प्रोसिक्युशन, कोलवाळे आमची जी सेंट्रल जेल आहा तेजें ऑपरेटींग कशें, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्टान जे न्यू कायद्या प्रमाणे जे कोर्टाचें फंक्शनींग कशें आहा तें जाता. आनी लास्ट आमी सगळ्यांक जे विजिटर्स आसा तांकां एक सर्टिफिकेट इशू करता की त्या लोकांनी हांगा येवन सगळें तांकां ब्रीफ केल्लें आसा आमी, आनी तेंच्यांनी तें एटेंड केलें आनी तांकां इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळ्ळी म्हणून इतलेंच.
हांव पूनम भरणे, डायरेक्टर ऑफ प्रोसिक्युशन, गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा. 1 जुलय 2024 भारतान नवे कायदे सुरू जाले. तेन्ना त्या खातीर तांची एक अवेरनेस सगळ्यांक जावची म्हणून हे गोवा पुलिसान आनी बाकीचे सगळे स्टेक होल्डर्स म्हणजे प्रिजन्स, ज्युडिशरी, प्रोसिक्युशन आनी फॉरेन्सीक सायन्स हांचे आनी सगळ्यांनी हे एग्जिबिशन हांगा ठरयलां. पुलिसांनी हे इनिशिएटीव घेवन कला अकादमीन लोकांक अवेर करपा खातीर हें एग्जिबिशन दवरलां. तातूंत आमचे एक प्रोसिक्युशनाचे स्टॉल आसा. तातूंत आमी अशें दाखोवन येता कितें जाता, प्रोसिक्युशन आतां लागू जाला सगळ्याक. आनी प्रोसिक्युशनाच्या अंडर जे पयलीं आमचे कडेन फायली येताल्यो, चार्जशीट इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जशें पुलिसांनी केलें की त्यो फायली ओपिनियनाक डायरेक्टरा कडेन येताल्यो. आनी पयलींच्या कायद्या अंडर डायरेक्टर आशिल्लो आनी एक डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर आशिल्लो प्रोसिक्युशनाच्या अंडर. आतां आमकां आनीक 3 डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर आनी 3 एसिस्टंट डायरेक्टर ह्या नव्या कायद्या प्रमाणे गव्हर्मेंटान अपॉयंट केल्ले आसात. आनी त्यामुळे जशें ओपिनियन दिवपाचें हें बी क्लासिफाय जाल्लें आसा. 10 वर्साचे वयर जे इम्प्रिजनमेंट जे ऑफेन्सीस आसात, जशें इम्प्रिजनमेंट 10 वर्साचे वयर आसा अशी ओपिनियनां डायरेक्टर ऑफ प्रोसिक्युशन दिता. आनी 10 वर्साचे सकल आनी 7 वर्साचे वयर अशें जे शिक्षा आसा ताजे ओपिनियन डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर ऑफ प्रोसिक्युशन दिता. आनी 7 वर्साचे सकल जे गुन्ह्याचे जी शिक्षा आसा ताजे ओपिनियन दिता एसिस्टंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ प्रोसिक्युशन. सो आनी आमी हांगा दाखोवपाचें कारण ह्या स्टॉलान आमी दाखयलां की प्रोसिक्युशनाचे अंडर ह्यो फायली आमचे कडेन कश्यो येतात, ज्यो ऑनलायन आमचे कडेन येतात आनी ओपिनियन दिवन जातकीर आमी परत ते अपलोड करतात आनी डायरेक्ट त्यो पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर तांकां इमिजिएटली ओपिनियनां मेळटात. हें आमी आज हांगा दाखयलां. तशेंच बाकीच्या सगळ्या स्टॉलांनी कशें कशें एक गुन्यांव घडटकीर सगळ्या पावण्याचेर कशें कशें ताजें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जाता आनी शेवटी कोर्टान वचून ताजो निकाल जाता, कितले फास्ट ही सगळी ट्रायल घडटा हाजेर हें सगळें दाखयलां.
rights we have as civilians and how we can question that also, and we can call out asking questions, and also think so much about how we are protected by the police of Goa it's just nice. It just feels that we are safe and secure in Goa with all the amazing policy that we have and the amazing rights that we have. It's a truly great experience.
Hi, my name is Ziran Mendes and I'm from Sharda Mandir School, Miramar. So this event is actually a really interesting event which taught us much about the new laws and the new policies that have been implemented in the Goa police. Overall, this event has taught us a lot about our wonderful Goa police and all of the wonderful things they do for us.
I'm Rinal Pereira from 9A, and this new policy that is implemented is very helpful. Through this, we got to find out a lot about what's going on, and everything is very good and put together very nicely. Like all of the scenes everywhere. That one over there, because the scene was very accurate and it was very informative.
Hello, I'm Shaurya Kathare from Standard 9E Sharda Mandir School. I'm at Kala Academy in the Nyay Sanhita. The stall which I liked the most was the scene of crime stall, because it showed how the police handle dangerous situations and also forensic reports and how they find out who did a crime, and also how they treat the patient in case patient is injured.
Was it worth to attend this session?
Yes, it was worth it.
I'm representing Sharda Mandir School and I'm very happy. एकदम खुशी कित्याक म्हाका ही opportunity मेळ्ळी हिंगा येवपाक with my students and my colleagues. And I want to congratulate the Goa Police Department for this beautiful exhibition and this awareness to us civilians because आमकां खबरच ना. And we go according to the media and we say आमचे पुलीस कितें करता ते काय करना. But I think today, after attending this exhibition, I have realized how much work our police do from the top to the bottom. And I want to congratulate all the police force in Goa. And I want to say a heartfelt thank you on behalf of my school, my students, my colleagues, teachers. Thank you to all the police in the Goa police force. Thank you very much.
And I love to come here today. Among all the stalls that were there today, I love this crime scene stall because it gives us an exact idea of what happens in the crime scene. It tells us in detail everything that is happening and how behind the scene all the police officers and everyone who is involved in this is working so hard to make sure that everyone gets justice. So I really loved coming here today, and it was very nice to come here and see what really happens behind the scenes and who all are really putting effort so that we get justice.
You have seen what the police are doing. Do you
Yes.
want to be a police?
I would love to be a police. I would really love to be one.
हांव शारदा मंदिर टीचर. आज म्हाका भुरग्यां बरोबर येवपाक संदी मेळ्ळी आनी जायत्यो गोश्टी म्हाका कळ्ळ्यो आनी इतलें सुंदर ऑर्गनायज केल्लें. एक एक गोश्ट मायन्यूटली आमकां सांगलें की कशें कितें करप तें, जें आमकां अदरवायज आमकां तें कळना. पूण आज ज्या पद्दतीन आमकां वेवस्थीत एक एक स्टॉलाचेर व्हरून तें एक्ट करून दाखयलें त्या खातीर खरेंच खूब बारकायेनी आमकां तें समजलें. आणि न्याय संहिता जे न्यू जे कितें केलां तातूंत भितर आमकां हेंय कळ्ळें की आतां बेगिना बेगीन आमकां हे वेट करपाक पडना किंवा आमकां रावपाक मेळना. रोखडोन रोखडो बेगिना बेगीन आमकां निर्णय मेळूंक शकता.
आय लायक द स्टॉल ऑफ द पुलीस स्टेशन. हांगा आमकां सगळें दाखयलां की कशें सगळें इंटेलिजन्स आमकां हे कसले सगळे रिपोर्ट्स लॅपटॉपाचेर सगळे आपुणूच येता आनी ते सगळे इंटेलिजन्स ती यूज करता. ते आमी सगळे आतां इन्वेस्टिगेशनाक वेरी हेल्पफूल आसा इन्वेस्टिगेशनाक. आनी कितें आतां सगळी प्लॅन्ड आसा, सगळीं वांगडा काम करता आनी अशें आमी विक्टिमाक हेल्प करता. तेंचे फॅमिलीक बीन कितें काम करता कित्याक तेंचे आतां मर्डर बीन जाल्लेलो आसता तर ती तेंचे हे तकली सारकें नासता. ती खूब डिप्रेस्ड आसता. तांकां पयलीं तेंचे कॅर करता, मागीर तांकां हे जस्टिसूय दिता. हें म्हाका बरें दिसता. थँक्यू.
आयज आमी हांगा एक्झिबिशनाक येयल्ले आसा जे गोंयच्या पुलिसांनी खास करून आम जनते खातीर केल्ले आसा आनी आमी शारदा मंदिरांसून येयल्ले आसा. इतली थँक्यू इज नॉट इनफ बिकॉज पयलीं आमकां अशें कळटालें की पुलीस कांयच करिना, पुलीस फक्त रावता, कंप्लेंट घेता, ओग्गी रावता. पूण एक्चुअली आयज आमी एक स्टॉल पयलो आनी त्या स्टॉलाचेर आमकां कळ्ळें की एक्चुअली they give their 200%. They go into that matter thoroughly and they tell us. They investigate the thorough crime investigation and they put up the correct crime investigation, whoever is. So आमकां अशें म्हणूं येता की आतां आमचे गोंयानूच न्हू की पुऱ्या राज्यान, देशान, इंडियेन खूब प्रगती जाल्ली आसा, खूब तरेन प्रगती जाल्ली आसा आनी आमी व्हेरी थँकफूल की कोणें कितें बारीक गुन्हा केलो, व्हडलो गुन्हा केलो की विदीन नो सेकंड्स because of this technology we can find out the crime, whoever has done that. So I'm really thankful and for giving me this opportunity from school through this very much what we can say exhibition. I'm really thankful. Thank you.
My name is Atharva Chauhan. I'm from Shardha Mandir School, Standard 9E. I liked about the scene of crime that how they managed the scene emotionally, how they made the old woman stop crying and how they emotionally made her strong, and how they reacted quickly with the dead body and the forensic reports that they quickly made and got to know the clues what's going to happen in the crime scene.
म्हाका एक्झिबिशन खूब बरें दिसलें. नवीन कायद्याची माहिती सारकी सगळ्या लोकांपर्यंत पावता. म्हाका फक्त एकच हे आसा की जितले हे सगळे बोर्ड लायलेले आसा त्या प्रत्येकाचे पॅम्पलेट आसूंक जाय आशिल्ले आनी ते लोकांपर्यंत पावूंक जाय कारण त्याचो उपयोग जातलो. इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणल्यार पुलिसाचे जे भय आशिल्ले पयलीं नाका म्हणून धरतात त्यातून पयस करपा खातीर ही नवी न्याय संहिता जी आसा ती आमकां हेल्प करता. पूण तरी थोड्या पुलिसांची मेंटॅलिटी बदलपाची गरज आसा. खूब बरें दिसलें.
My name is Adarsh Shettigar. I am Scientific Officer in Directorate of Forensic Science. So here we have displayed at Kala Academy the entire national criminal laws and Nyaya Samhita. So this is our stage over here. As you can see, this is the case reception area. So all the cases that we receive come to this section, and also we have displayed different divisions that we have. So I'll just show you a few divisions that we have. So this is the toxicology division. As the name suggests, toxic means drugs, alcohol, poisons. That's what we test here. There are more than 50 tests that we do on a daily basis for each poison. And here you can see different colors of chemicals. These are the different actually chemicals that we use. This is the DNA division of Forensic Science Lab. So here we get different samples like blood, hair, roots and bones, teeth, etc. So here we check for the presence of human DNA. So if at the crime scene there is blood or semen present, we try to match it with the accused, and if the profile matches, we come to know that he is the person who is to be convicted. Okay, this is the biology and serology division. In biology division, we check for the presence of diatoms, which is useful for drowning cases. And serology division, we check for presence of blood, semen, saliva, etc. So these help us in the crime scene, and at the lab we come to know who the suspect is. This is the computer forensic division. We also do mobile forensics here. Here you can see a forensic imager, for example. What it does is it takes a copy of the actual hard disk. So the hard disk that is there, it makes an exact copy of it, retains the hash value, and then we do the analysis of it. This is the fingerprint division. So this is the brush and this is the powder. Suppose if someone puts a fingerprint here, we use the powder to brush it off and we come to know what is the fingerprint, who the person is. And we compare it in NAFIS system, we come to know who the suspect is. A lot of people came to our stall, especially students, because they're very intrigued and interested in the future of forensics, and they're also interested and want to get inside. So it's a new field, and since it's developing rapidly in Goa, so we hope to make it better, and we are open to all the students who want to learn about forensics.
I welcome you all for this exhibition of the 3 new criminal laws which have come into force from 1st July 2024. There is a huge response from all the corners of the society for this exhibition of new criminal laws. We see that many students from the various schools and colleges have visited and they are eager to know about these 3 new criminal laws. And they have gained something from this exhibition which is organized by the Ministry of Home Affairs through the Home Department of Goa, Prosecution, Police, Forensic, Prison and other departments, GFSL. I once again welcome you all and request you to visit this exhibition which is going on till 4 p.m. and just take a glance and come to know about what these 3 criminal laws are.
आमचे हे एक्झिबिशन न्यू क्रिमिनल लॉजाचे एक्झिबिशन जाल्ले आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटान आमकां एक स्कीट दिल्लो आनी तेतून आमी हो सीन ऑफ ऑफेन्स आसा पळय तो रिक्रिएट केलो मिन्स अ डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन दिल्लो ह्या डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशनान आमी पब्लिकाक जावं जे गॅदर जाल्ले जे पार्टिसिपंट जाल्ले तांकां आमी हो सीन रिक्रिएट करून दाखयलो जशें करून की जे इन्सिडंटाचेर कितें घडटा कितें जाता आनी आमी ते कशें हँडल करता इन्वेस्टिगेशन आयओ येता आयओ सगळे प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करता इन्वेस्टिगेशन केल्या उपरांत सगळे पुरावे आमी लागीं करतात FSL टीम येता प्लस आमी कंप्लेनंटाची कंप्लेन ऑनलायन बी घेवं शकता तिका पुलीस स्टेशनार येवपाची गरज ना हे सगळे दाखयलेले आसा प्लस फॉरेन्सीक टीम येवन डॉग स्क्वॉड येवन हे सीन ऑफ क्रायम इन्स्पेक्ट करता आणि ते पुरावे लागीं करतात प्लस पार्सलां तयार करतात आणि FSL टीम ते घेवन वता सॉरी I think the response for this particular exhibition was very good. It was appreciated by all the participants who visited the stalls. And for me, working as a skit artist over here was a pleasure doing, and I feel proud to explain each and everyone that police plays a very important role in the society.